Vitali Treaties were born as a result of our clinical studies, our product for diabetic dogs. We discovered their amazing qualities as side effects to the dogs enrolled in the study. All the dogs perked up, their skin and coat issues resolved, and pet owners referred to them as the fountain of youth. The most frequent comment was, "My dog just loves them and looks forward to them." Many users asked, "What's in them?" Well, the ingredients are our secret, patent pending and all of that. I can tell you that they are a synergistic combination of essential amino acids, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and oils for skin and coat health.